Python is dynamically typed language, which means that the type of data a variable holds can be changed during the program execution. Python has several standard data types that are used to define the operations possible on them, and the storage method for each of them. The standard data types in Python include numbers. This type stores numeric values and can be integer as we seen in our previous example, float or complex number. Okay, let's define another variable, which is y, and it equals to 20.5. This is the float number. And let's define another variable, which is z, and it equals to 1j. And here we have example of complex number. Of course, we can print these variables. Okay, let's run our variable script. And yes, we can see integer value, float number, and complex number. Another data type is string. This type stores a sequence of characters. In Python, strings are enclosed with single quotation marks or double quotation marks. So let's create another variable, which is name, and it equals to look. Let's print it. Run our script. And yes, we can see that variable name contains the sequence of characters look. Another data type is Boolean. This type can store one of two values, true or false. Okay, so let's define another variable. Let's print our variable. And yes, we can see that the variable code is active, contains the value true.